sin x plus sin y equals to 1 by 4. So maybe what you did is you simplified it using cos c plus cos c, which is gonna be 2 cos c plus b by 2 into cos c minus b by 2. This is 1 by 3. And if you did by 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2, that's 1 by 4. Now if you divide this equation like 2 by 1, written 2 by 1. So what do you get on the left hand side? This 2 cos x, sorry, 2 cos x minus y by 2 will get cancelled out. What you get is tan x plus y by 2 equals to 1 by 4 upon 1 by 3. So it's going to be 2 by 4. You got tan x plus y by 2. Now you can solve all of that, right? So cos x plus y, in terms of cos x plus y, I can write it as 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. So this will be 1 minus 9 upon 16. This will be 1 plus 9 upon 16. So that will be 7 upon 25. This is what our cos x plus y would be. And then your sin x plus y would be same way 2 tan x plus y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. That would be 23 by 4 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So 3, 6 into 4, 24 upon 25. And now I could have also done sin x plus y equals to square root of 1 minus cos square x plus y as well. And I could have got the same result, 1 minus cos and 625, right? And then that will be 24 upon 25 itself. So that way, as well I could have got. So tan x plus y is simply sin x plus y upon cos x plus y. That should be sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y. That would be 25 upon sin x plus 24 upon cos.